Hello, Dr. Byron C. Phillips, MBA, your consultant, your professor, and your tennis pro. The topic for the video is saying more with fewer and fewer words so that you maximize the beginning of a sales presentation, a meeting with clients, colleagues, superordinates, or subordinates, or a classroom. You'll learn to use the model I developed for the first 4 to 8 minutes of any sequence. We call it building the barn. Are you or others you know guilty of not economizing words at the beginning of a session? What can one do to capture those sacred 4 to 8 minutes of any important meeting? We have a tight window in order to capture, hook, and get the audience where we want them to be, to receive our information and to have open discussion. I developed this model called Building the Barn. The B stands for building on previous information or learning, actively involve the participants, relating new information to the life of the individual person, and naming the learning or the information you want them to grasp. Without a powerful beginning, we will lose some participants totally. Others will not be hooked to what we have to inform and teach. In the book, Smart Brevity, authors Van de Hei, Allen, and Schwartz shared this pearl, quote, "You would never cook a gourmet meal for someone and serve it in a dog bowl. And yet we sometimes serve in a dog bowl." It's what happens when you don't maximize the beginning. We want to plan, we want to execute, we want to build the barn. We want to prepare the meal with elegance and brevity and use those first 4 to 8 minutes effectively.